Hey guys, it's Tim with Original Strength. Welcome back to the Corona Chronicles. Last week I posted a video about establishing your dominance, letting your neighbors know that you're not weak. It turns out my neighbors watch my videos. And in an unanticipated move, my neighbor Mark presented an olive branch. He sent a family member up here to do a handstand in my yard right by this tree. And if you don't know, a handstand is the highest form of submission. It is basically bowing down so hard that you invert yourself. And while this is a beautiful gesture of peace, we are in DC during Corona. And eventually we will be in AC after Corona. Now is not the time to accept gestures of peace like a handstand. Now is the time to let your neighbors know that after Corona, things cannot go back to normal. You will still have dominance in the neighborhood. Let me show you how. No joke. So I'm walking down to my neighbor Mark's house, but almost got busted. My wife was taking a walk and I did not anticipate running into her. Luckily, she didn't see the tripod that I have in my hand. She just thought I was out taking a walk. So we're still good. All right, kids, pay attention. I always try to provide educational content in my videos. So the angle of approach is very important. As you can see, Mark's driveway is right there, but there's really no windows to see me coming. We don't want them to know we're coming. If they know we're coming, they may come out and start bowing down. This could interrupt our ceremony of dominance. So you want to come in from an angle that they can't tell. All right, kids, that was a celebration of dominance. You got to let your neighbors know when AC comes, when after Corona comes, you are still strong and you've got moves that will stand the test of time. Never show weakness, my friends. Have a good week. By the way, guys, I apologize for the gratuitous display of skin, but it's absolutely necessary in these times. Have a good week.